Understanding pie weights. A guide for baking enthusiasts. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting culinary term that you might come across in English recipes: pie weights. Whether you're a baking enthusiast or just curious about English cooking terms, this video will help you understand what pie weights are and how they're used. So, let's get started. Pie weights are small, heavy objects used in baking, particularly when preparing pie crusts. Their primary function is to prevent the crust from bubbling or shrinking while it bakes. This is especially important for recipes where the crust needs to be pre-baked or blind-baked before adding the filling. Pie weights can be made of ceramic, metal, or even dry beans and rice. They are spread evenly over the crust to keep it flat and help achieve a perfectly baked, crisp crust. Using pie weights is a simple yet crucial step in baking pies. Here's how you do it. 1. Roll out your pie dough and lay it in the pie dish. 2. Line the dough with parchment paper or aluminum foil. 3. Spread the pie weights evenly over the paper or foil. 4. Bake the crust as your recipe directs. 5. Once partially baked, remove the weights and paper, and continue with your recipe. Remember, pie weights are reusable, so once they cool down, you can store them for your next baking adventure. If you don't have pie weights, don't worry. You can use a variety of household items as substitutes. Common alternatives include dry beans or rice. These are inexpensive and work quite well. Sugar. Baking sugar in this way also lightly caramelizes it, giving it a unique flavor for future use. Another pie dish. If it fits, you can nest another dish on top of the crust. Each alternative has its unique benefits, so feel free to experiment to see which works best for you. And that's all there is to know about pie weights. Whether you're using traditional pie weights or a handy substitute, they're a great tool to ensure your pie crusts come out perfectly every time. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been informative and helpful in your English learning journey. Happy baking, and see you in the next video.